So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can disable the desktop notifications from the Discord software that you have been using on your Windows PC. As you all have been known, sometimes the notifications are going to be very disturbing if you are doing some particular work which is urgent, and sometimes the notifications keep appearing like from the chats or over the voice channels or from Discord. So it may be very inappropriate for you to getting disturbed by the notifications. So in order to disable the notification, first of all you have to do is to just simply open the Discord software on your PC. Or if you have been using the Discord web version, you can disable you may have been receiving the notification from the web version as well, so you can disable from there also. For the process is same, just all you're going to see this home page which you have been familiar with this. Now on the left bottom corner, you're going to see the option of settings over there, just at the right of this headphone icon. When you click there, you are in the settings of the Discord. Now on the left window, you need to scroll down and find an option of notifications. You're going to see it's in the app settings version. Here you're going to see the option of notifications. When you click there, here on the first option only, it says enable desktop notifications. Just simply disable this, and all the notifications that are being visible to you, that are be appearing on your desktop via Discord, are now disabled, and none of the notifications are going to annoy you anymore. I hope this video will be helpful for you. By this method, you can easily disable the notifications from the Discord. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.